So today I'm talking about a P2099 code, what it is and how you go about fixing it. And so what is a P2099 code? Well, it's a post-catalyst fuel trim system 2 rich bank 2. And what does this mean? Well, there's sensors and they're located on the exhaust and they do two things. The first thing they do is they monitor the catalytic converter. And then the second thing they do is they monitor how much oxygen was burnt off during combustion. And they report this information back to the computer, which uses it to adjust the air-fuel ratio mixture that's going into the cylinders. And for some reason, these sensors are reporting the issue on bank 2 side of the engine that the air-fuel ratio mixture is wrong and that it's running rich, which basically means more gas than oxygen is going into that side of the engine. And so it's going to be troubleshooting on why. And V6 or V8 engines are going to have two banks. Bank 1 is always the side of the engine with the number 1 cylinder, and then the opposite of that is going to be bank 2. So if you find the number 1 cylinder in your engine, that's going to be bank 1, and then the opposite is bank 2. If you have a 4-cylinder engine, it wouldn't matter. There'd only be one bank. So the first thing to do when you get this code is to go locate the bank 2 oxygen sensors on your particular vehicle. It can be a good idea to get a diagram for your particular vehicle to know where everything's laid out. For example, this is a 2007 Camry with a 3.5 liter V6. And bank 2 sensor 1 is going to be located right here. It's going to be located before the catalytic converter, and it's going to be called the upstream oxygen sensor. And the bank 2 sensor 2 oxygen sensor, also called the downstream oxygen sensor, is going to be located right after the catalytic converter or right on it. But the first thing to do is to locate these sensors. And one thing to note about a P2099 code is that sometimes it can be kind of difficult to troubleshoot since it can be caused by many different things. And because of this, if you're getting any other codes, be sure to pay attention to that. So if you're getting like a MAP sensor code or a fuel injector code or something like this, then be sure to pay attention to that because that can help point you to what the cause is. But keep in mind this can be kind of hard to troubleshoot sometimes. And so what would be some possible causes of a P2099 code? Well, the first thing that could cause this is a bad O2 sensor. So if one of those sensors goes bad, it might just be reporting bad information back to the computer. So the computer just thinks there's a problem when there isn't. This also is going to include the wiring going to the O2 sensors. If there's anything wrong inside the wiring, then that's going to cause the same symptoms as a bad sensor. So be sure to keep that in mind. You can test these sensors if you want to. I made some videos on how you go about testing these. I'll put links down below if you need to check that out. But the first thing that could cause this is a bad oxygen sensor. And the next thing that could cause this is going to be a rich running condition. And this basically means that there's more gas going into the engine compared to the air, that the air-fuel ratio mixture is off. And this could be caused by many different things. It could be a bad MAF sensor, could be a bad injector on bank 2 or something like that. There's many different methods to go about trying to find out if there is a rich running condition on bank 2. One method is that you remove the spark plugs on bank 2 and you check to see how they're burning, because the way the tip is burning will point to how the cylinder is running. And you can check out spark plug burn charts online and they'll give you an idea how the cylinders are running. For example, if the tip's really white, then that's going to point to a lean condition. But if it's really dark and black, then that's going to point to a rich condition. So you could pull the spark plugs on bank 2 and check to see if one of the cylinders is running rich and there's some kind of issue going on with one or more of them. And then you can do more troubleshooting from there to see if there is an issue. And like I said before, if you're getting other air codes, be sure to pay attention to that. But the next thing that could cause this is a rich running condition. And another thing that can cause issues sometimes is going to be an exhaust leak. And an exhaust leak is going to let in outside air into the exhaust, which can throw these sensors off. Usually this will cause a lean code. But sometimes strange things happen. It could throw off one of these sensors or just cause issues. And so while usually an exhaust leak does cause a lean condition, just keep in mind that if there is an exhaust leak, it can throw these sensors off and just cause strange things to happen. So the last thing on the list is going to be an exhaust leak. And so that's basically it. I just wanted to give a basic overview of how you go about fixing an engine with the P2099 code. If you have anything to add, please comment down below. If you have any questions, ask me. I'll try to answer them. If this video helps you, please click like, please click subscribe, and have a good day.